Hello and welcome to this week's Beginners English Vocabulary Quiz. In this video, we will quiz you on the vocabulary you learnt in the last numbers video. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our channel. Anyway, let's get started with the quiz. The first number we are looking for is number 2. Can you find it? Yes, here is number 2. We are now looking for number 10. Where is number 10? Great, here is number 10. The next number we're looking for is number 7. Can you find it? Yes, here is 7. Our next number is 3. Can you find it? Yes, here is number 3. We are now looking for number 1. Can you see number 1? Yes, we found it. Here is 1. We are now looking for number 5. Do you see 5? Yes, here is 5. We are now searching for number 12. Can you see number 12? Great, here is 12. Can you find number 9? 9 is the next number. Great, here is 9. The next number we are looking for is number 6. Can you see number 6? Yes, here is 6. Where is number 11? Can you see it? Yes, here is 11. Where is number 4? Can you find number 4? Yes, here is 4. The final number we are looking for is number 8. Can you see 8? Great, yes, here is number 8. Thank you for joining us again today. If you have any questions about numbers and their vocabulary, please send us a message in the comments box. Don't forget to like our video to help us gain more viewers and to expand our channel in order to provide you with an even better experience. Why not press the subscribe button and bell notification icon so you never miss one of our future videos. Our next vocabulary video is coming soon, looking at various foods. So, we'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye!